In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the aspect ratio of your video in Shotcut. So as you can see, I have here a landscape video. However, I like to change this to vertical, that is 9 by 16. As you can see, this is a 16 by 9, but we want to change this to mobile based 9 by 16. So to do so, it is pretty much easy. Just go ahead and click on the video that you want to change the aspect ratio, and then come to settings here. So if you click on settings here, go and look for the option called video mode, and video mode is here. So under it, scroll down until you see the option called custom, and we shall now tap on this add, and immediately we shall have this window. And now you can go ahead and give it a name, or you can just leave it as it is. As you can see here, the aspect ratio is currently 16 by 9. However, we want to do it vice versa, where this will be 9 by 16. And then from here, now click on OK, and here we go. It has been changed. However, the problem is our video is still wide, as you can see. So to fix this, go again and tap on the clip under the timeline, and then come to filters here. Alternatively, filters is here, so you can choose from here as well. And then tap add a filter, and from here choose the option called size, position, and rotate. So if we choose this, now you can widen up, or you can enlarge this just to fit our aspect ratio that we want. So I'll make sure it fits. Great. And now go ahead and move your item or your object to be at the center, and that is okay with me. So I'll go ahead and leave it at that. So if we go ahead and play it, now look at that. It perfectly fits well in this aspect ratio. So that's how you change the aspect ratio of your videos from 16 by 9 to 9 by 16 in Shotcut. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.